guys, and I'm going to show you the best Chick-fil-A dipping sauce. Chick-fil-A chicken nugget dipping sauce out of Chick-fil-A sauces. So this one that is dumping in right now is the Polynesian. I got the sweet and sour, and I got the honey roasted barbecue. Okay, so I'm trying to do this really fast because I only got 60 seconds to do this. They don't give us like 3 minutes anymore. It's 60 seconds. For gosh darn dang short. Okay, just to entertain you guys. So this one should be easier. Should, I said should. Okay. Squeeze. And this is gonna have to be a 2-part thing because I cannot get enough time. And the title is gonna be PT1. Bye!